In this video, we will explore how to find a lead's phone number using their email. Click the first link in the video description to access the LinkFinder AI website. Click the Start Free Trial button to create a free account and receive credits for data enrichment. Select email address as the input data type to enhance your lead information. Select the LinkedIn profile URL as the output data type to retrieve LinkedIn profiles from your input data. Please confirm the LinkedIn profile URL to retrieve the relevant profile links. Click the field to input the lead's email address for data enrichment. Enter the email address bill.gates@microsoft.com to retrieve the associated LinkedIn profile information. Click Enrich Data to begin locating the LinkedIn profile URL associated with the provided email address. Copy the LinkedIn profile URL result. We will use it to find the lead's phone number. Please select the input data type once more to initiate another enrichment process. Select email address as the input type to proceed with enriching lead data. Please confirm the selection of phone number as output types. Click the field to input the LinkedIn profile URL for phone number enrichment. Click Enrich Data to retrieve the phone number linked to the LinkedIn profile URL. As you can see, we found the lead's phone number using its LinkedIn URL. So from an email, we found the LinkedIn URL, and then from the LinkedIn URL, we now have the lead phone number. Select the input data type once more to prepare for bulk data enrichment. Select email address as the input type for bulk enrichment. Select the LinkedIn profile URL as the output type for bulk data processing. Please confirm the LinkedIn profile URL for bulk enrichment. Click Upload CSV to initiate bulk data enrichment with a file containing multiple leads. Click Select File to choose your CSV file that contains lead email addresses. Click Process 75 items to initiate the bulk enrichment of lead data from the uploaded CSV. Click Export to download the enriched data once processing is complete. Please select the input data type once more to proceed with further enrichment tasks. Select LinkedIn profile URL as the input type for the upcoming enrichment process. Please confirm the selection of phone number. Click Upload CSV to initiate bulk enrichment using a CSV file that includes LinkedIn profile URLs. Select the CSV option for files containing LinkedIn profile URLs. Click Process 5 items to initiate enrichment for the selected LinkedIn profiles. Click Export to download the results of the bulk enrichment process. Click on API Access to explore programmatic options for data enrichment. Click View API Docs to learn how to integrate LinkFinder AI with your applications. Click on B2B Data Lookup to view the available API endpoints for data enrichment. Click Pemail to LinkedIn URL to retrieve LinkedIn URLs using email addresses. Click the curl command example that demonstrates the usage of the email to LinkedIn URL API. Click on LinkedIn Profile to Phone to retrieve phone numbers from LinkedIn profiles. Click the curl command example to see how to utilize the LinkedIn Profile to Phone API endpoint.